What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings. We just finished up Fireball Silla 5-year ceramic coating, this 2023 BMW X7. The paint is literally glass. It is mirror-like, candy-like, literally better than when it left the dealership's showroom floor. We started off with a full wash and decontamination on this vehicle. The wash and decontamination is going to remove any iron particles, brake dust, road grime, embedded contaminants from the factory, as well as obviously a full foam wash to remove all of the main dirt and grime. Now, when you get a full wash and decontamination here at Attention to Detail, we go the extra mile to make you smile. Not only are we going to go ahead and wash the entire vehicle down panel by panel with microfiber cloths, but we also detail brush and get into every single crack and crevice of the vehicle. Every contour of this BMW, every single letter we get in, and we clean under your door cups, we clean under your rockers, your rims, even the barrels of the wheels. Check them out. It's almost as if you could lick them clean. Oh wait, they already are clean. Now, after the wash and decontamination, we did a nice enhancement polish to remove any light oxidation on the paint. That's going to give it this luster, this gloss, this candy-like look. And then we 5-year coated every single piece of this vehicle. 5-year still of the paint. We did our 2-year Fireball Talon on the rims and our 1-year Typhoon on the windows. Now, our warranty states that no matter what, all of the coatings, trim, wheels, windows, are all going to match up to the 5-year paint. So you come back to us every 6 months for our warranty maintenance wash. The cost of that is $75, and we wash down the entire vehicle and make sure that the coating is performing how it should. Okay? After that, at the 2-year mark, okay, your 4th wash with us, we'll go ahead and recoat the rims if you request. It's easy as pie. No matter what, if you get anything repaired, replaced, or repainted, we will recoat the panels for absolutely no cost to you. And we scan the VIN and put the mileage so that every service that we offer here at Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings, goes on your vehicle's Carfax report. If you want your car looking like this, you need to come see Aaron. Come see me at Attention to Detail. Okay, you can reach us at 219-533-8783. Visit us on our website at www.attentiontodetail.info. ATTN, the number 2detail.info. Shoot me a call, send me a text. 219-533-8783 or my website, comeseeaaron.com. Enjoy this BMW 2023 X7. Boom!